5, 6, 7, 8. Catch at the angle down. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right flat, left hand stop. Going to come to the front. 17, 18, 19, straight up and down to the butt. 20 is flat. Push 21. Down 22. 23 is up. 24 is down. 6 spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wrist roll. 7, 8 to flat using left hand stop. A, B part. A's will go 9, 10. B's, same thing, 11, 12. Everybody, 13, 14, 15. Stop on 15. Punch on 16. Backwards wrist roll. 1, 2 to flat on 3. Extension 4. Back scratch 5, 6, 7. Back to flat. Ankle extension out on 8. Sweep 9, 10. Flat 11, 12. What? Elvis?
Yeah.
Elvis 9, 10, 11, 12. Elvis 13, 14. Jump 15, 16. Hill out. 8 counts. 8 counts. Have we done any of them? You know, it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everybody together. Turn 9, 10. Catch it on the top of the rifle. Backwards 11, 12. Lead a triple. 13, 14, 15, 16. Drop 17. Extension 18, 19, 20. Walk the flat. 21, 22 toward the top. Rest until 32. Okay. From there, then it's sweep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Full extension, 45-degree angle. 7, 8, like the flat. Spins 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14. That's a single. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, 14. Catch on 14. Follow through 15, 16 to the top of the shoulder. Left hand extended to the end of the barrel. In a sweep with a double step. 17, 18, 19, 20. Back to flat. Don't know what we call this. Illusion to the back. 1, 22, 23, 24. We'll end up with the rifle. 24. Step 25, 26, 27, 28. Legs to the front. Pull your arm and turn 29, 30, 31, 32. Prep for a triple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice your hands on the bottom of the rifle, finger extended on the rifle. Going to sweep to the front, circle, 9, 10, 45-degree angle, bring it straight up, 11, 12, 13, 14 to the side, 15, 16, over a dig, use your fingertips right over, 17, 18, 19, 20, back to flat, front, push, 21, 22, 23, 24, hold 25, go at 1.5, 26, 27, 28, catch your angle, 29, 30, 31, 32, turn, 33, 34, 35, step on 36, step back on 36, prep on 37, 38, 39, 40,